So we're here at Nederburg Wine Farm, and today we are actually going to attend their harvest festival. This time of the year is the Paarl Wine Harvest Festival, and usually in the Western Cape, harvest time is anywhere between January and March. Nederburg, and to do some wine tasting we actually got a lovely little souvenir glass that we can take home, and then we get little tokens that we can actually purchase some wine tasting with. So let's do some wine tasting.
What does it taste like?
Aquac wine.
So here we've got a 5-day-old Chenin Blanc that we're going to taste. Super, super sweet. So one of the activities here that we're going to check out is barrel rolling. Now we're on our way to do some grape stomping. It's going to probably be a little bit dirty, but I think I can handle it. We'll see how it goes. It's the first time I'm going to do it, so it's going to be interesting. And yeah, who knows, maybe Nederburg will use some of my grape juices that I stomp out.
It's super squishy.
Just to see what people are working with.
They're going to use this wine. Yeah, it's a different experience.
So they've got some really awesome little games here for the kids to keep them busy. You having fun, baby? Yeah! So we've decided to pop in at Simonsvlei Wine Farm as well on this harvest festival in Paarl. Hey guys, so we're going to taste some kombucha, and I've got Stephen over here who's going to tell us a little bit more about what kombucha is.
Basically, Simonsvlei is, we decided to launch a brand called Miracle, which is it's a brand new venture for us. It's about a week old. Miracle is something which consists of 4 different products in the range, a ginger beer, and then 3 different types of kombucha. So kombucha is basically, it's a very health-inspired drink. It's a fermented tea-based beverage. So basically the main ingredients would be water, sugar and tea. In our case, obviously, like I said, now we make a lovely ginger beer. That's something which everybody knows. Then we do a plain rooibos flavored kombucha. We do a Ceylon and raspberry flavored kombucha. Then we do a rooibos and beetroot kombucha. So right in front of us now, we'll have a tasting. From your right hand side, we'll have the ginger beer, followed by the plain rooibos, followed by the beetroot, and followed by the Ceylon and raspberry flavored kombucha. So kombucha is it's a health drink, ensuring that you have a balance in your body, very focused on your gut and your stomach. Just something healthy, something unique, something different, and I'd say a proper alternative to fizzy drinks. And yeah, available from Simonsvlei winery. Thank you.
So here I'm going to taste their beetroot and rooibos kombucha. And the last tasting here is Ceylon tea with raspberry. This one's awesome.
Basically, what we have here is a 2019 Chenin Blanc, which is unfiltered wine. And one of the main ways for us to save it, when you look at the wine, it's very cloudy. Typically, our Chenin Blanc tends to be a very fruity, fruit-driven wine, easy drinking wine, strong flavors and aromas of kiwi, some citrus, and even some pineapple. This usually tends to be a wine which pairs along nicely with fish or chicken.
Where over there?
Just there, in the lane.
Where over there?
Yeah, over there. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.